Lahore में the population is really high. I have used the public transport in Lahore and it is full. मतलब आपको ज़मीन पे बैठना पड़ता है आपको there's so many people कि अगर कोई करना भी चाहे अगर कोई individually वो action लेना भी चाहे तो how far are you really going to get with that?
True.
Right now, like if I talk about public transport जो मैंने पिछले 4-5 साल से मैं बात कर रही हूँ इसके बारे में usually लड़कियाँ जो हैं because those are my friends and those are people who I talk to, they say कि हम हमारे अम्मा पापा तो कभी इजाज़त ही नहीं देंगे कि हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे जाएं इवन अगर हमारी दोस्तों के साथ हमें तो कभी इजाज़त ही नहीं होगी कि हम जाएं. So आपका public transport needs to reach every corner of this is what we said in Islamabad as well, needs to reach every corner of the city. It should be safe, it should be accessible to vulnerable communities. It should prioritize people जिनको ज़रूरत है. For example, it should prioritize poor communities, vulnerable communities, women, transgender.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सरोश एंड आज के एपिसोड में वी आर जॉइंड बाय यूथ क्लाइमेट एक्टिविस्ट हानिया इमरान. एंड आज की जो एपिसोड है इट्स एक्सट्रीमली क्रूशल एंड आई थॉट कि इसको एक सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी के तौर पे देखा जाए. दैट इज़ द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ इन majority of the cities of Pakistan, that is smog, क्योंकि it has severely impacted our lives to the point it has become a major health concern. Everyone, including yourself and those around you, आप देख रहे होंगे we're unwell, कोई खांस रहा है, किसी को आंखों में जलन हो रही है, someone has severe migraines. There's a lot of issues जो health से mainly connected हैं and a lot of others जो के barriers आपको देखने को मिले हैं with the recent lockdowns, we're going back to the phase जहाँ पे हम mask पहन रहे हैं. So there's a lot to be discussed in this episode, but more than that हम इस episode में focus करेंगे कि how those responsible need to act immediately and execute actionable plans ताकि स्मोक की रिडक्शन की तरफ हम जा सकें instead of just sitting and just waiting for it to increase. So let's formally welcome our guest for today. Thank you, Hania, for joining.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. I feel like no one would be better suited right now for us to just sit down and talk about this, because I know कि हर कोई अपनी capacity में has been trying to talk about it, whether it's through the use of just like sitting down and talking or just like through humor. There's so many elements आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं online, but everyone is trying their best. So I just want to know कि how has life been like for you in the past couple of months or weeks, health wise particularly, चाहे वो indoors आप discuss करना चाहें या outdoors.
It was last year actually. So I got sick in ways that I would vomit every month because if I stayed outside for long, around 1 to 2 hours if I stayed outside I would have to vomit. And उसके अलावा I used to have fevers and flu, which is called the smog flu. And yeah, so it's not like the normal flu, and जब वो आपको होता है, if you had the normal flu तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि this is not normal. And I had a lot of time trying to make people believe कि it was because of air pollution, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग कहते थे कि नहीं, it's seasonal. I mean, you have a flu, you're sneezing, and
मौसम बदल रहा है.
Yeah, and this is a little disgusting, but आपकी snot जो है it turns black. So if you look at, like, if you focus on that, so you will realize that your snot is not normal. It's black snot that you have. So that is what I also dealt with. And yeah, matlab, one other problem that I had experience with is because you're constantly coughing.
Yeah.
So I couldn't sleep because I was coughing. I couldn't like control the coughing.
Yeah,
so
वो होता है ना, आप लेटो तो ज़्यादा होती है, फिर आपको कमर adjust करके then you have to sleep, which is like sad.
Yeah, so one night my roommate was coughing the entire night, so even if I could sleep, I couldn't because she was coughing. And then the next night I would be coughing all night, so she couldn't sleep either and I couldn't sleep. So that is what I experienced. At this time I have tried getting out of Lahore as much as I could, which is why I'm not as sick. But I know this time all of my friends, everybody that I know, my professors, People that that I spend time with,
Yeah.
सब बीमार हैं.
Yeah, everyone around me at work, at home, everyone has been sick. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई एक्सपोज नहीं था, कोई बच गया. होता है ना जब
Yeah.
कोई जैसे होता है वायरल फ्लू फैल जाता है, या
Yeah.
अक्सर जब सीजन चेंज होता है उसके बाद, जिसके अपने बाद के आयरॉनिक,
Yeah.
तो होता है कि कोई बच जाता है, कुछ लोगों को लग जाता है.
Yeah.
एंड बट इस बार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah.
एंड इट हैज़ बिन सो स्ट्रेंज, क्योंकि हम बात करें अभी क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें फेस करनी पड़ी हेल्थ वाइज.
Yeah.
एक रिसेंट मेरे में आई है कि व्हेन आई कम बैक होम आफ्टर वर्क, सो आई हैव बिन एक्सपोज्ड कि मैं बाहर थी और मैं आई हूँ घर, एंड आई हैव दी सिवियर क्रैम्प्स,
Yeah.
एंड आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन एज टू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग कि ये क्यों हो रहे हैं. एंड देन मुझे किसी ने मेरी फैमिली में रिलेटिव ऑफ माइंड, एंड ही सेड कि मुझे भी यही हो रहा है. एंड देन अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हुज लिव, वो जो रिलेटिव है वो इस्लामाबाद में है, सो उनको भी हो रहा था. एंड देन दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन इन लाहौर, शी वाज लाइक, एंड शी एक्सप्लेन जहाँ जहाँ उसको हो रही है मुझे भी वहाँ पे हो रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज नो आंसर टू इट, क्योंकि वो फिर चला जाते हैं, क्रैम्प चले जाते हैं, फिर वो वापस हो जाते हैं. And the flu, like you talked about, that's extremely concerning because मुझे हुआ नहीं, so I really didn't know कि it's that bad.
Yeah.
So I was, like I mentioned in the beginning, कि किस तरह से like smog की वजह से हमें मास्क पहनने पड़े, right?
Yeah.
And उसके अलावा like लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं okay, invest in an air purifier, and we talked about this off camera that this is a luxury. And not everyone can afford an air purifier that actually does the job. So I just want to know कि yes, there must be ways जहाँ पे हम act out कर सकें, जैसे कि हम घर बैठ जाएं, even though वो भी एक luxury है, if I may add, because not everyone can just drop everything and sit at home. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Right?
Yeah.
So I just want to know कि we are playing our part, right?
No.
As citizens. Okay, talk about it.
So I think look, my voice is gone.
Okay,
but-
okay, that's fine.
Yeah, nee, so I think basically as citizens,
Yeah.
we are playing our part is तरह से कि we are doing our individual tasks. So individually, आप बैंडेड लगा सकते हो इस इशू पे, आप खुद ही उसको obviously you can't make it go away उस तरह से.
Yeah.
So you wear a mask or you stay inside as much as you can, and you get an air purifier. Yeah, that is the most that you can do अभी. And वो भी air purifier भी privileged लोगों के लिए, जिन लोगों के पास पैसे हैं जो afford कर सकते हैं, कि air purifiers are also expensive.
True.
So a lot of, for example, students that I know hostel में जो रहते हैं उनके पास air purifier खरीदने के पैसे नहीं हैं. तो आपके working class के जो लोग हैं उनको आप एयर प्योरीफायर दिला भी दो, उनके और इश्यूज़ हैं. एयर प्योरीफायर से उन्होंने उस तरह से कुछ ख़ास प्रॉब्ली नहीं करना, सही है. तो आप एयर प्योरीफायर जो है दैट इज़ फॉर पीपल दैट आर अपर एंड एलीट क्लास के जो लोग हैं, दैट इट इज़ फॉर दैम एंड फॉर पीपल दैट कैन अफोर्ड इट ऑफ कोर्स. एंड उसके अलावा जो मास्क का है, मास्क आर ओनली अ बैंडेड, राइट? मतलब आप मास्क पहन भी लो, यू आर स्टिल ब्रीदिंग इन द सेम एयर. You're still breathing in the same air. You cannot make it go away. You can't clean the air through the mask.
Yes.
And also a mask का भी ये कि your जो आपके जो ये वाले masks हैं versus your N95 masks, the price difference is also there for both masks. So some people may not be able to afford N95 masks because they are relatively comparatively expensive. So the price that one of my friends shared was $150. It might be wrong, but $150 for one mask, and for some people that may be their day's worth of food or the money that they're earning. So why would they buy an N95 mask? Why would they put in money for that? Say So what we see is that is a whole different class issue. आपके climate or environmental issues में ये नज़र आता है कि that class disparity already. But what we see is कि individually हमारी responsibility बनती है कि हम अपने state को, हम अपने government को, हम अपनी institutions से सवाल उठाएं कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं. And we call it smog, right? But it's not. Smog is this when आपकी when it winters होते हैं and आपकी जो air pollution है, it creates this fog situation where visibility ख़राब होती है.
Yes.
But air pollution is year long. आपके लाहौर में the reason why this has made so many people sick and surprised is also because आपकी smog थी नहीं जब आपकी air pollution इतनी ज़्यादा हुई है, तब लाहौर में गर्मी थी, which is also related to climate. But वो इस तरह है कि आप लोग people thought कि जब smog आई तो then you might wear mask or then you might consider कि air pollution आ गई है. But आपकी air pollution नवंबर में शुरू हो गई थी, it was 700-800,000 तक जा रही थी. तब you didn't have smog, right? Now आपके थोड़ी ठंड हुई है तो smog create हुई and all of that. So it's air pollution. Smog is in the winters, but your air pollution is there throughout the year. And it's worse when you can't see it. It's invisible poison, right? तो it is our responsibility कि हम अपने institutions से, हम अपने इर्द गिर्द के लोगों से, हम अपने गवर्नमेंट से, हम एक दूसरे के साथ mobilize करें, उस पर बात करें, क्योंकि what is the solution here? Because this is not something that is short term कि अब इस साल ये हो जाएगी and उसके बाद it's gonna get better and then we'll move on from it. No, you're going to not only Lahore but Islamabad, Peshawar, Multan, Karachi, most of all of your major cities are experiencing this, and it's getting worse by the day. सही है. And last year when I got this sick, when I went back to Islamabad, मैंने वहाँ के activist community से यही बोला था कि this is not something that is going to stick to just Lahore. This is our issue as well, because आप कह लो कि हाँ इस्लामाबाद दरख्त हैं, ये environment and nature and all of that. I mean, if you lose that for cities like Islamabad, then you really, what are you going to describe Islamabad as, right? Because for example, Lahore, you're a city of gardens, you have culture, you have history, you have so much to explore and see. It's a beautiful city. But now it's being described for its air pollution. Now it's only known for its environmental issues. Now it's known for its social issues, right? So where did all of that go? Where did all of that history go? So the question is, now we need to work together. And because environmental issues and climate issues, इस तरह के issues हैं कि they unite everybody. आपके जो, for example, आपका अगर air pollution का issue है, it doesn't matter what religion you're from. It doesn't matter what belief system you hold. It doesn't matter if you're a student or an elderly. या आपका उसके साथ फड्डा है, उसके साथ दोस्ती नहीं है, आप किस political party से हैं, what your political beliefs are, whether you agree with the state or you're anti-state or pro-state or whatever you are, at the end of the day, you're also affected by the air pollution. True. So you have to do something about it. Even the people that are making the decisions are sick. तो आप खुद बीमार हो, तो why are you incapable of making a decision for the rest of your society? आपकी अगर, and we say कि okay, government की गलती है, but what about you? You run an institution, you run an office, or you run a university, or you run a school. So where is your leadership?
We are also going to get into why it's our fault as well, because there is reason to prove that is the case. But usse pehle na, I want to talk about awareness wala aspect when it comes to climate change, because हम लोग extensively online and offline spaces में बात करते हैं. You yourself have been a part of countless offline spaces. Online where you talk about it, there's so many people in your life or those you're surrounded with in a professional capacity or academia में who talk about it as well, I'm sure. कि okay, let's talk about कि हमारा एक कोई water crisis है या smog के related है. मैं उसके अलावा ये भी बात करना चाहूँगी कि मैंने ये नोट किया है, correct me if I'm wrong, कि हम like when it comes to accountability and taking like एक action plan जब बनता है और उसको execute किया जाता है, we talk about okay, let's plant trees. Okay, students को कहा है plant trees. Okay, वो भी कर लिया. Plastic use हो रही है, इसको fine करो, इसको fine करो, इसको fine करो. हमने वो भी कर दिया, ठीक है. Although I have been told by multiple people कि ये सिर्फ plastic को ban करना is not the only solution. It's much bigger than that. हमने वो भी कह दिया okay, let's have these apps जो कि monitor करें, let's have cameras जो monitor करें. ये तो monitoring और वहाँ तक की बात होगी. What about wanting to actually do something? Like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Monitoring हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया, ये सारे steps भी ले लिए, but कर क्या रहे हो आप लोग? अब देख लिया ना कि क्या situation है, assess कर ली बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, अब देख भी लिया लोग बीमार हैं, अब what next? How are you going to reduce it? अब आप क्या कर रहे हो? कुछ tangible चीज़ बताओ, right?
Yeah, that's true. I think There is a very big lack of action on all of our parts,
Yeah.
and usually, we don't blame individual people and all of that. And I don't, but I do
Yeah.
think कि जिन लोगों के पास privilege है, they do
Yep.
get some of the blame, because
Hmm.
आपका look, आपकी human rights की violation है ये basically, सही है? आपको साफ हवा नहीं मिल रही, इसका मतलब है कि आपका हक पूरे नहीं हो रहे, ठीक है?
Yes, yes.
And when that happens, so you have to stand up, you have to speak out against it, सही है?
Yeah.
And yes, social media के through आप करें, उसके through करें, but then you also, there has to be some kind of tangible sort of action that you take. And you
Yeah.
really, something that really concerns me is कि आप आगे जाके, when and this is something that I asked my parents as well, कि well, you knew about law, you lived here for a bit and all of
Yeah,
that, so
yeah, yeah.
was this a problem then? And like, why did you, मतलब आपने वो क्यों वो किया, and आप you left the city and then you never look back? Why? There's 13 million people here. This is one of
Yes,
the biggest tragedies and public health crises in the world, in my
yeah,
opinion, सही है?
yeah.
And आप मतलब people are just living, like लोग कह रहे आपकी गवर्नमेंट का मास्क पहन के they're just going on with their days,
Yeah.
but they're not really living, आपकी ये आज़ादी आपकी ख़राब हो रही है ना, कि आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते, आपको घर में बैठना है, आप बाहर काम नहीं कर सकते,
Yep.
बाहर जाके आप आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं कर सकते. हम मतलब for students they're saying कि you can't hold university activities, you can't hold school
Yes.
activities. तो ये आपकी आज़ादी को मारा जा रहा है ना, ये
Yeah,
आपसे
yeah.
आपकी आज़ादी ली जा रही है आपसे. तो where is the like sort of backlash against that? Where is the collective voice against that? Where is the mobilization against that? कि अगर आपका कोई protest हो रहा है, या अगर आपकी
Yes.
कोई उस पर conversation हो रही है, कोई study circle हो रहा है, या आपकी कोई मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है उस पर, तो where is the
Yeah.
sort of let's come together, let's sit together, let's do something about it? You don't
Yes.
see that. You see people they're talking about it on an individual level, but where is the collective? Right? So you're right कि action पे हम लोग पता नहीं अपना छोड़ देते हैं, हाथ पाँव फूल जाते हैं हमारे when it
I
comes to
guess,
like what are
yeah.
we going to do about it? Everybody has answers, but nobody has implementation.
Yes, implementation. That's the
Yeah,
right
yeah,
word. Yes,
yeah,
correct. So recently we did a collaborative post. It was literally we did it yesterday. जो ये इस वक्त जो shoot हो रहा है उससे एक दिन पहले. And they were so it was about कि किस तरह वो उलमा council, even though that's not the context of what I'm about to say, but उन्होंने बोला कि ये हमारे गुनाहों की सजा है, ये जो smog situation है. Fine. So इस पे एक बहुत sarcastic take था, but point of the post was just to highlight कि क्यों है, क्या factors हैं उसके पीछे. So we received a couple of comments, and since this episode is dedicated to those watching, ये उनके लिए, so I feel like it's very normal to just add their voices. It's
Yeah,
like the
sure.
basic we
I
can
would
do.
love to hear.
So like I picked out a few comments. So let me read like the smallest one first. I agree. Instead of focusing on long-term solutions, they are doing lockdowns, which won't change anything. You literally see the sky in Lahore; it's grey, literally. Yeah, we talked about this. Lockdowns is like a very temporary solution, and किस तरह से वो limit कर देता है बहुत लोगों की रोजी रोटी होती है उसके पीछे involved और बहुत हो जाता है. Okay, now this is a bit extensive, but let's see how you feel about it.
Okay.
I don't like how you're not blaming capitalism for this. Most industries producing luxury products while depending on fossil fuels or fossil fuel based energy. Even electric vehicles are probably produced in the same sort of factories, and the electricity that will charge them on will likely come from the same sources. Personal vehicle based commute is a stupid luxury that should be replaced by efficient and comfortable public transport. The list of ways capitalism is responsible for this is much longer. Yeah, public transport. If you look at the statistics yourself, and I want people to do the homework themselves, because then I want कि वो खुद जाके देखें, because when I checked it out, तो मैंने देखा कि transport ये जो vehicular emissions हैं इसकी percentage सबसे ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
उसके बाद आती है इंडस्ट्री, उसके बाद आते हैं एनर्जी, और उसके बाद आती है एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है, आते हैं, yes there is a percentage to it, बट ये है एक रियलिटी हमारी कि पंजाब में स्पेशली कि बहुत ज़्यादा गाड़ियाँ,
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा। लाइक देयर इज़ इवन रिपोर्ट्स जहाँ पे बताया गया कि कितनी रजिस्टर हुई हैं गाड़ियाँ इन द पास्ट डेकेड, एंड इट्स अ वेरी लार्ज नंबर
Yeah.
which is almost scary. Even then, I also want to add कि public transport, yes, available है, but उस तरह से accessibility नहीं है। उसके अलावा देयर इज़ दिस अदर फैक्टर कि बहुत सारे कम्यूट है जो हम पैदल भी सफ़र तय कर सकते हैं,
Yeah.
बट वो रास्ते उस तरह से नहीं। आई नो ये बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग इन्वॉल्व होगी,
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
कोई ऐसे नहीं है कि कुछ टाइम में ये सब कुछ चेंजेस हो
Yeah,
जाएंगे। आई
yeah,
कम्प्लीटली
yeah,
अंडरस्टैंड
yeah,
दैट,
yeah.
बट लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम समवेयर
Yeah.
कि वो एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी हो, वो एक एक्सेसिबिलिटी हो कि हम कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ रास्ते, मतलब थोड़ा सा भी सफ़र होगा ना, लाइक माई वर्क कम्यूट इज़ रादर शॉर्ट, बट आई रियली डोंट हैव दैट, मैं आई डोंट फील सिक्योर इनफ, और आई डोंट रियली सी कि रास्ता ऐसा है दैट मैं पैदल सफ़र तय कर सकूँ। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
Yeah, I agree with these people के जो पहली बात तो lockdown है.
Yeah.
They're calling it a green lockdown, which I mean that's dystopian in itself. But the lockdown is inherently, in my opinion, useless, because what is it really achieving?
Yeah.
आपका lockdown, you're even unable to implement it properly, because last time I went there जहाँ पे implement हुआ था वहाँ पे सब कुछ खुला हुआ था, सब चीज़ें चल रही थी.
Yeah.
And दूसरी बात ये कि for example, I was talking to a shopkeeper the other day, and I went to the shop. It was quite late, and lights off thing. Usually they don't close at that time, so I was confused. And I was about to go back home, and he suddenly appeared out of nowhere and turned on the lights and gave me what I was there to buy.
Yeah.
And
छुप के बैठे हुए थे?
yeah, so I asked him कि ये क्या है ना, मतलब why did you have the lights turned off and all of that, and he's like, oh well, because इन लोगों ने lockdown किया हुआ है तो they come and check, which is why I still keep the shop open late at night, but just keep the lights off and the darwaza closed, so when I see a customer, he turns on the lights and comes back.
It's a very scary way approach, but okay.
Yeah,
I understand.
But that's the thing, right? Like आपने lockdown किया हुआ है पहली बात तो, why does this man have to take like why does he have to, what does that have to do with air pollution really? मतलब आप शॉप को बंद करवा रहे हो, उस बंदे का क्या उसमें, what contribution is he making to that? He lives there, सही है, where the shop is, so it's not that he's commuting anywhere either. There is no sort of मतलब nothing is happening there that I could instantly connect that this is related to air pollution. It's a shop, it's a grocery shop, सही है. So that is what your lockdown is achieving, nothing.
True. और लोग ये भी तो recognize करें, और those responsible कि जो ये smog है ये सिर्फ बाहर नहीं है. I don't know if you've noticed,
It's inside.
inside as well. मतलब आपको विजिबल भी होगी अगर आपको बिलीव नहीं है. और जिन्होंने एयर प्योरीफायर्स जो जिनके घरों पे हैं वो डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं थ्रू द ऐप इटसेल्फ के अंदर भी, इंडोर्स भी, इट्स क्वाइट हैजर्डस, वो बता देता है आपको. सो ये लॉकडाउन करके क्या होगा?
एंड सो एग्जैक्टली, एंड आपका जो दिस प्रॉब्लम के पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, नाउ देयर इज अ फ्यू इश्यूज, and obviously there's solutions to them as well, but public transport is one of the most efficient ways to go about this, क्योंकि आपकी गाड़ियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, but गाड़ियाँ किसके पास हैं? आपकी जो majority है, they don't have cars. It's just that the people that can afford cars have multiple cars, and they have a lot of and the fuel that they're using. So आपके Euro 2 fuel use हो रहा है, and that's hardly Euro 2. You need better fuel, refined fuel, and that is just not happening for some reason, even though इस पे काम इन लोगों ने पिछले कितने साल पहले शुरू कर दिया था, but nothing has happened since then. अभी इस्लामाबाद में we're filing a court case, and उसमें हम लोग national clean air policy को लेके ही कर रहे हैं कि by 2025 Euro 5 should be available in Islamabad, which is not the case, right?
Okay.
2025 is in less than 2 months, and there is no work being done on that. So Islamabad, Peshawar, Multan, all of these cities are headed in the same direction. Then you have so many people, right? Like for example, Lahore mein, the population is really high. I have used the public transport in Lahore, and it is full. मतलब आपको ज़मीन पे बैठना पड़ता है, आपको there's so many people कि अगर कोई करना भी चाहे, अगर कोई individually वो action लेना भी चाहे, तो how far are you really going to get with that? Because it's really people are like pushing each other metro ke through and all of that. So yeah, so there's so many people there, so aapka public transport needs to reach every corner of this is what we said in Islamabad as well, needs to reach every corner of the city. It should be safe, it should be accessible to vulnerable communities. It should prioritize people jinko ज़रूरत है. For example, it should prioritize poor communities, vulnerable communities, women, transgender people. It should prioritize, it should be safe enough कि आपके बच्चे भी अकेले अगर जाएं तो वो जाएं. सही है. Right now, like if I talk about public transport, जो मैंने पिछले 4-5 साल से मैं बात कर रही हूँ इसके बारे में, usually लड़कियाँ जो हैं, because those are my friends and those are people who I talk to, they say कि हम हमारे अम्मा पापा तो कभी इजाज़त ही नहीं देंगे कि हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे जाएं. इवन अगर हमारे दोस्तों के साथ, हमें तो कभी इजाज़त ही नहीं होगी कि हम जाएं. सही है. एंड मोस्ट पीपल जो आपके एलीट और इसके, they have not even ever tried using public transport. So there's this whole bunch of just society के सारे problems, and they are exacerbated and like amplified in these climate and environmental issues. You can see them clearly कि ये मसले हैं, and this is sort of how you need to get together and solve it. So so public transport is necessary as a person has shared industries and all of that. But then one thing that I do disagree with, which I don't say often, is कि आपकी जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ और ये सब कुछ है ना, that we say capitalism and then we need to shut them down. You have to realize that Pakistan is a country that is developing, right? Like ये जो climate का issue है ना, I do blame the West for it, and I think कि अगर इंडस्ट्रीज़ कहीं पे बंद करवानी है तो आप पहले वहाँ पे सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ बंद करवाएं, although that is very unrealistic unfortunately. But you need to start there, right? Like आप यहाँ की like smog and all of that is justified. I think in this scenario, yes, it is justified कि आप बंद करवाएं, क्योंकि literally सब affect हो रहे हैं, सब मर रहे हैं. सही है. But industry in its own sense, right? Like जो ये capitalism है, that has to be addressed from the root cause. And what is the root cause? It's not here, it's over there. So industry and all of that, like yes, we also need to mitigate, we also need to but first they need to do it. Like we need, otherwise there's going to be, people are going to suffer economic loss. Like this is what we call, and now I've gone on for a bit, but this is what we call a just transition. सही है. If we are going to move towards renewable, we need to also take the human aspect of it. अगर आप brick planes को बंद करें, इंडस्ट्रीज को बंद करवा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे जो लोग काम करते हैं उनका क्या हो रहा है अभी? आप इंडस्ट्रीज और वो सब कुछ सही है, हमारी एयर शायद थोड़ी सी बेहतर हो गई, but there's a lot of people that are suffering because of that. Like just like that shopkeeper जिसके air pollution से, तो चलो brick plane तो चलो, आप shopkeeper की आप shop बंद करवा रहे हो जिसका has nothing to do with air pollution.
This is equivalent to telling someone कि अब तुम्हें घर पे पैसे नहीं आएंगे. Imagine.
Yeah, so like and they're already, आपकी inflation इतनी, economic situation इतनी बुरी है कि so there's just like it keeps stacking, and this is where we need to like we have to start thinking about like outside ourselves. Okay, pollution is affecting us, but with other people, how is it affecting them, and in what ways is it affecting them, and how can we be better and be better about that.
When you mentioned public transport, मैं इतनी ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती, even though we do have one car, but उस तरह से नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा commute ऐसा नहीं है. I live जो the areas that I normally go to, वो they're close by, so I don't need, जैसे अब Orange Line है वो far areas के लिए है, अगर किसी ने जाना हो दूर तो they use it. So like मैं सुबह के टाइम गई on a Saturday. Imagine on a Saturday in the morning. It was full. मेरा first stop था, जो खाली होती है ना बिल्कुल, वहाँ से मैं बैठी थी, क्योंकि वो शुरू ही उधर से होती है, अली टाउन से. And suddenly it was full and it kept on increasing.
But then also you have to realize कि like public transport, like we have to realize कि public transport जो है, this is an option for us maybe, but it's something that is a reality. जिस तरह की भी public transport हो, most people will have to use it because it's cheaper, because they don't have another option. If you and I, we can make the choice कि हमने walk नहीं करना, but most people will have to walk.
And मैं किसी को target नहीं करी, but there's such a stark difference लाइक मुझे बहुत विजिबल होती है आपने क्लास डिस्पैरिटी और उसकी बात की, मुझे इतना विजिबली वो नज़र आती है ना, बिकॉज मैं एक दिन सोचे वो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ किया, मैंने देखा कि मैं सिर्फ गई थी बिकॉज आई नीडेड टू गो समवेयर दैट्स प्रीटी फार अवे एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू गो इन अ कार. मुझे अननेसेसरी लगा क्योंकि बहुत पैसे लग जाने थे, मल्टीपल थिंग्स कि एक गाड़ी यूज़ करें इस सोल पर्पस के लिए, बिकॉज दैट वाज फॉर अ लेजर ट्रिप बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू बाय सम थिंग्स. एंड मैं चली गई एंड आई नोटिस द पीपल दे वर देयर, वो इस मकसद के लिए नहीं निकले हुए थे. दे प्रॉबली दे वर गर्ल्स जिन्होंने पढ़ने के लिए जाना था, बिकॉज आई ओवरहर्ड देम टॉकिंग अबाउट बुक्स एंड स्टेशनरी, सो आई न्यू कि वो इस काम के लिए निकली हुई थी. एंड दे वर वुमेन एज वेल, दे वर वुमेन विद किड्स और इस तरह करके. सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि वो किस मकसद के लिए निकले हैं, बट सोली यही था बिकॉज इट्स अ चीपर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो वो, एंड देन आई कम होम एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट दिस टिकटॉक ऑनलाइन ऑफ दिस वन गर्ल who wanted to study, and she's hopping from one cafe to the next in her car, and I'm like, pick a place and sit and study. Stop doing that. You are just sit down and study in a cafe if you have to. For the life of me, just sit. Don't hop from one place to another in your car. You're literally one person in the car. उसके बाद मैं बहुत वो है, आई जस्ट क्लोज्ड माई फोन, मैंने लॉक कर दिया. मैं आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई नीड टू, मुझे अपनी सैनिटी चाहिए वापस. इट्स वेरी सैड एंड इन्फ्यूरिएटिंग एट द सेम टाइम, राइट?
That's true.
ओह या, सो दैट वाज अच्छा, एक कॉमेंट आई थिंक रह गया. इट वुड बी सिमिलर इन नेचर बट इट्स जस्ट लाइक शी इज हाईलाइटिंग व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. All they need to do is monitor industrial emissions, make sure that people have proper fuel to burn instead of plastic and tires, incentivize farmers to not burn their crops, and invest in public transit. We talked about public transit. There are a lot of other problems, but nothing else is needed to end smog right now.
I think that अगर ये जो भी initiatives ले रहे हैं,
The crop burning, how do
because
you...
the thing is, okay, so crop burning does have a part to play, but it's obviously not at the top of the list. Like there's multiple other things, and then उसके बाद crop burning आती है. The reason why crop burning gets so much attention is because India की बात आ जाती है उसमें, and we can blame India and say कि India की गलती है, but India की गलती नहीं है, हमारी अपनी गलती है और हमें खुद हल करने की ज़रूरत है. आप मतलब this is like beyond me कि अगर इंडिया, अगर इंडिया की गलती है तो then why aren't you talking to India either, right? They've been saying कि हम climate diplomacy करेंगे. Where is your climate diplomacy then? What conversation have you had with India कि हमने हल करें? This has been happening for years and years and years. What? Nothing. So then stop blaming India and then get your own house in order.
हर साल ये होता है, लाइक एवरी टाइम जब ये मौसम आता है. आई हैव बीन नोटिसिंग इट फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स नाउ. आई हैव लिव्ड हियर, तो खबरें तो हर कोई पढ़ रहा होता है. हर साल ये हेडलाइन सर्कुलेट होती है एंड देन इट जस्ट गोज अवे एंड देन इट कम्स बैक अगेन, एंड दैट्स लिटरली इट. उसकी पावर उधर तक ही महदूद है, क्योंकि एक खबर चला दो and rile up people, they continue blame game, and that's literally it. कुछ नहीं होता, मौसम गुजर जाते, क्योंकि हमारी अब तो सर्दियाँ भी इतनी कम हो गई, हम सिर्फ उसके बारे में बात करते रह जाते हैं और मौसम गुजर जाता है. एंड देन वी थिंक स्मॉग है नहीं, एंड हमें पता चलता है ओ वो तो पूरे साल ही थी, बट लोगों को नजर नहीं आ रही, तो लोग कहते हैं ही नहीं.
दिस पार्ट वेयर आपकी स्मॉग या एयर पोल्यूशन का जो इशू जब अराइज होता है, तो देन एवरीबॉडी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्क्रैम्बल्स कि ओके नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू अबाउट इट. यू हैव लाइक रियली शॉर्ट लाइक क्विक सॉल्यूशंस दैट आर ऑब्वियसली नॉट वेल थॉट आउट बिकॉज यू डिडंट थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज नाउ दैट इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, नाउ यू हैव टू एड्रेस इट. एंड उसके बाद लाइक इवन पीपल, मतलब यू नो वी हैव दिस, आई डोंट नो, एज अ सोसाइटी वी हैव दिस sort of like forgetfulness के, because I don't know, maybe because we have so many issues कि आपका आपका एक ही अभी एयर पोल्यूशन का ख़त्म होगा या रिड्यूस होगा तो we'll move on to the next thing. कि अब ये हो गया है तो अब इस पे फोकस करें, and then अब ये हो गया है तो उस पे फोकस करें. You know, if you want to solve an issue, you cannot have you know, focus on it for a few months in the year and then you move on to everything else, and then when it happens again you focus on it again, which is why आपकी air pollution today is so bad in Lahore. It's because it has been ignored. It has been ignored for so many years. This has been happening since 2015. And आपको like अब जाके, you know, people are, because everybody's sick, but I really don't want कि आपके like people, they just get used to this. They've already been used to it, but what really concerned me, especially this time, is कि पिछली दफ़ा when I was sick, like लाहौरी खुद कहते थे कि you know it's not that bad, ठीक है, but when इस दफ़ा they themselves, people that are used to apparently or have adapted apparently to this smog or this air pollution are now themselves sick, which is really concerning for me because I'm like, you've lived here your entire life and you're sick, तो then मेरा क्या मतलब वो होगा हाल, सही है.
Yeah.
So this is what was happening, कि you cannot, there's just some things that you cannot adapt to, you really can't, like
Yeah, and
you know, we
shouldn't,
talk about
yeah.
adaptation and all of that, you can't and you shouldn't.
Yeah.
मतलब you shouldn't accept this. Why should you say कि okay हम air purifier लेके mask पहन के गुजार लेंगे? Why? You know,
Yeah.
and even if you ये जो mindset ना कि like okay fine, you can maybe leave, सही है, maybe you'll move to another city or maybe you'll move abroad, सही है, or whatever else. At the end of the day, there's 13 million people living here. Not everybody will be able to move.
Yes.
And अगर आप नहीं तो आपके बच्चे या उनके बच्चे या जिन लोगों को आप जानते हैं, someone or the other will be here and breathing in that same air 10 years down the line, and even worse. So what are we supposed to do? Like wait until this is what someone said yesterday as well to me, कि जब तक आप खांस के आपके मुंह से खून ना निकल रहा हो, मर ना जाए लोग, स्ट्रीट में मर ना रहे हो, तब तक, which I believe that that's still happening, तब तक आप क्या मतलब, you're still not going to do anything. So this requires us as civil society or us as just generally society to throughout the year consistently come together in different cities, in within Lahore, outside Lahore, and put pressure on our government. And the other day a government official had the audacity to say this to me कि मुझे सिविल सोसाइटी से इतना प्रेशर नहीं फील होता है कि आप लोग, you know, you're not really protesting, you're not really like, you know, I just don't feel any sort of pressure, or you know, and this is because this is what your government has done, कि जिन लोगों ने प्रेशर डाल रहे थे आप लोगों को मतलब बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म कर दिया है ना. तो what do you expect कि then कि मतलब, you know, where is that pressure going to come from? Yeah, so this is the result of years and years of incompetence.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right. And also there's different modes of censoring or silencing people now who actually talk about literally any issue in our country. And ये recently शुरू हुआ है बहुत ज़्यादा. पहले बहुत शायद low key level पे होता हो behind the scenes, but अब it's clearly evident कि कोई कुछ भी करने के लिए खड़ा होता है, you can conveniently silence them, which is exactly why आपको वो pressure feel नहीं हो रहा right today, right? So I think you've concluded it very nicely, like urging people to talk about it throughout the year. And I'm really glad that we had this conversation. So thank you for being here and talking about this, because I felt like it's very urgent, and it was very important for us to involve those watching as well in this conversation, so that they can actually think about, okay, no, this is not something we can take lightly anymore. So thank you, Hania.
Thank you so much for having me and you know, having this conversation. And it is very urgent, but it isn't just urgent right now. It is urgent in the sense that it is just urgent until it isn't a healthy level of air pollution. It is urgent.
True.
Yeah, we need to be talking about this throughout the year.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And to all those watching, I really hope कि आप लोग instead of just hopping onto a trend, you continue to talk about certain serious topics like that of the smog right now, because ये smog का crisis सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सर्दियों में आएगा. It's not something that just exists from within these particular months. It is an everlasting issue. I hope it doesn't come to that, but हमें इसके बारे में बात करनी है, हमने एक collective change का हिस्सा बनना है. Continue to have these conversations, not in vacancy, but मिलजुल के हमने बात करनी है, बैठ के बात करनी है, एक एक्शनेबल प्लान के ऊपर हमने परसिस्ट करना है कि इसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया जाए, तभी जाके ये स्मॉग का क्राइसिस रिड्यूस होगा, तभी जाके हम जो मुख्तलिफ बीमारियों का शिकार हैं ये रिड्यूस होंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी टेकन वेरी सीरियसली राइट नाउ. सो प्लीज़ डू ड्रॉप योर कॉमेंट्स in the comment section. Do share how you feel about it, and we'll definitely engage with you, and we'll catch you in another episode very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Khuda Hafiz.